Hello and welcome to today's episode where we delve into enabling secure cloud platforms with CNAPP and GenerativeAI. In today's fast-paced digital world, securing cloud-native application has become more crucial than ever. By embedding security into the DevOps process from the outset, organizations can build platforms that are not only secure, but also resilient against evolving threats. Today, we'll explore how CNAPP and GenerativeAI are transforming cloud security, enabling teams to stay ahead of vulnerabilities and deliver scalable, secure solutions. Joining me today is Elaine Loo, Cloud Security Architect for ASEAN at Palo Alto Networks. Elaine, thank you for being here. Can you share more about Palo Alto Networks and how it brings value to the cloud security?
Thanks, Deddy. Happy to be here. So as you know, Palo Alto has been a leader in enterprise firewall space. And over the years, we have been evolving ourselves into covering AI-driven SecOps, our CNAPP platform as well. And since you're on the topic of AI, just want to share with you as well, we have coined the term precision AI. Basically, we felt that there is a need to fight AI with AI. Adversaries are using it, and we should too. But Gen AI is definitely not enough. We need to merge or blend together machine learning, deep learning, automation together with Gen AI. And that's what we are doing to bake into our products so that customers can really leverage this for their success. So on this topic as well, I just want to share that we have launched Cortex Cloud, which is the new version of Prisma Cloud, which aims to provide advanced threat protection. It unifies all the sensors that we have today into a single platform. And of course, AI insights to help customers not only detect, prioritize, but also remediate with our out-of-the-box playbooks.
Thank you, Elaine, for that insightful introduction to Palo Alto Networks. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Security in DevOps workflows can often feel trying to hit a moving targets. Given the speeds of development cycles and the complexity of modern cloud environments, this is where Gen AI can play a very pivotal role. How do you see Gen AI proactively detecting and resolving security risks in DevOps workflows? For example, what capabilities make it effective in identifying vulnerabilities, analyzing patterns, or even automating responses to security threats?
Yeah, you're right, Deddy. One of the big use cases of Gen AI is definitely cybersecurity. And where will I see Gen AI benefiting in terms of the DevOps workflow would be, first, application security. Right? As you know, as we speak, in our interviews with a lot of organizations, 100% of the developers are actually using AI to code. So defenders need to also leverage AI for their benefit. If we can build up some context-aware, AI-driven guardrails to help developers identify, prioritize, and even remediate vulnerabilities as they code, then that will allow them to go faster while being more secure for the business. The next piece I would say would be useful when it comes to Gen AI is really on risk prioritization. We're getting so much signals when it comes to operating a cloud and detecting security alerts. So having ability for users to be able to be laser focused on what to prioritize on, leveraging AI, of course, that will really help them to react faster and remediate faster. Third piece will be on actual protection. As much as we do a very good job upfront, attacks still happen, 0 days still happen. So we really need advanced AI engine to be able to look out and detect all these anomalous behavior, malicious behavior, and really can or stop the attackers in their tracks. Last piece will be on incident response, right? Whereby teams need to be able to understand what's coming into the environment, what are the potential risks, be able to draw up this full attack storyboard, or even be able to predict what the attackers are going to do next. Be very proactive to actually remediate, protect, and defend their organization.
Those are excellent points, Elaine. Building on that, many organizations are eager to incorporate Gen AI into their security strategies, but may struggle with the how-to aspects. What best practices would you recommend for organizations looking to seamlessly integrate Gen AI into their DevOps security workflow?
So I have 3 strategies that I recommend when you adopt Gen AI in DevOps security. So first is to assess your DevOps security pipeline, right? You want to make sure that you understand your problems, your challenges today. And then through that, you can integrate the relevant Gen AI use cases. It could be things like proactively preventing bad code from going out. These are the things that needs to be done. The next will be probably, once you are on this AI journey or Gen AI journey, then we need to find a way to secure this animal. And that comes to the point where you look at your AI pipeline, you want to be able to safeguard your whole AI lifecycle. It could be things like, making sure your data, your sensitive data, how are you managing it? Is it going to the model? Are you aware? Integrity of your AI algorithm, and even unauthorized access to your AI models. The last one will be to measure the success of your Gen AI implementation, right? You want to make sure that there are things like, for example, if you can measure productivity gains and innovation, you want to make sure that things like, for example, after the adoption of Gen AI tools, you have reduction in your tickets, time savings, or even for users, right? How they're experiencing the platform, the additional benefits that it gets. Does it improve job satisfaction? Does it relieve them of all the mundane things and make them happier workers? So these are things that we need to consider as strategies when we adopt AI.
Very valuable insight, Elaine. Now, let's shift gear, right, and talk about how Izeno and Palo Alto Networks are working together to help organizations strengthen their cloud security strategies. As a trusted partner in the region, right, Izeno collaborates closely with Palo Alto Networks to deliver cutting-edge solutions like CNAPP, empowering our customer to secure their cloud-native environments. So, from your perspective, how do partnership like the one between Izeno and Palo Alto Networks enable organizations to address complex cloud security challenges more effectively and foster a culture of innovation?
Cloud is accelerating business to innovate, and with AI, definitely that digital transformation is going to accelerate. And with acceleration, it comes with compounding complexity and vulnerability that is introduced. So Palo Alto being a global cybersecurity leader, we continuously innovate to really bring out ways and strategies to enable enterprises to secure the digital transformation, even at the pace of change, which is definitely accelerating. But cloud security, is something that a platform itself cannot solve. Enterprises today need to be able to transform their people, their organization, together with a unified cloud platform to be able to secure that journey from code to cloud and now to SOC. So Palo Alto, together with Izeno, will be the ideal combination to help customers embark on their cloud security journey, aligning people, process together with the platform.
Thank you for Elaine for sharing such a valuable insight today. Right? It's clear that with the right strategies, tools, and partnership, organizations can secure their cloud platforms while driving innovation. At Izeno, we are committed to empowering our clients to trusted partnership like the one we have here with Palo Alto Networks, delivering the solution they need to stay ahead in the ever-changing landscape of cloud security. Until next time, stay secure, stay innovative, and keep building for a safer digital future.